In the traditional production process, frequent mold changes are an extremely tricky process. It's like a hidden time bomb in the shadows. Security incidents may occur at any time. You can imagine. Every time the mold is changed, the heavy mold was during disassembly and handling. If you are not careful, you may hit the worker's foot or do the operation error and other more serious collision injuries. These accidents cause great physical pain to the employees. It will also force the entire production schedule to be interrupted, causing immeasurable losses to the enterprise. However, today, ZTZG have an innovative mold-free process. This process revolutionizes the traditional production model. It relies on advanced intelligent technology. You can easily complete various operations through your mobile phone alone. Completely eliminated the tedious and dangerous mold replacement process. So, those who change molds frequently, the resulting security risks is eliminated from the root cause. Let every frontline worker can operate efficiently in a safe and seamless environment for the stable production and long-term development of the enterprise.